Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment, down here again. It's just starting to rain, so I'm going to just do a quick video. This is the front of my plot. You can see the grass is just out of hand now. Coming onto my plot, you see how high the grass is to the door on the Polytunnel. This is because of the strimmer. I sent it off yesterday. They're just trying to go backwards and forward with me, but I'm not having any of it. This is my rhubarb, my potatoes. Got something eating the leaves off down there, but you can see they're starting to flower up again. You can see what's going on down there because I can't get down here, and because of the strimmer. That's how high the grass has got. See, my roses are coming out nicely now. So, sorry about the snivelling, it's a bit cold today. This is my onions. You can see they're doing nicely. What I do, sometimes I pick some of these stalks and use them as spring onions. You can do that with onions, they're really nice. That's all my mint, black mint round there. I need to sort that out next time. There's a lot of things that I need to do but I can't get to do. These are volunteer potatoes in this bed here. So I've got 3 more beds to work up. Coming in my polytunnel now. Show you what's going on in here. I just got one pumpkin come out of all these pots. I've got 2 up there. Right, this is my marigolds. Only 3 I can see in there. This is my melon. You can see that's coming on and running nicely and starting to flower up. So I'm going to have to train this up to go up when I get a chance. My carrots in the buckets, I don't know what happened to those. They just seem to have dried up. My tomato at the back is okay. I think this is my rocket if I'm not wrong. My spring onions, doing really nice. Nice bunches. I don't know what I have to do to those yet. These are my peanuts, my peppers. I repotted these, so they're doing okay. These are my Scotch bonnet ones over this side. You can see they're starting to bunch up now. That's the smallest one. These are that's my wonderberry. Still got some onions there to put out. And my fennel down over the back there. Some radishes and my rashido cabbages. You saw me pluck some of those out. This is my carrot bed. You can see that's doing exceptionally well, this one. I don't know what happened to the ones in the bucket, it's just a bit strange. Right, this is my sweet potato. You can see that's running all the way up to there now, so I've got to train this one. These are the ones from the bag. Right, come this side, so right, these are the rest of the sweet potatoes. You can see they started running up now, so I've got to start training them to where I want them. The only ones what's not doing so well is the beauregard's, but I don't think I'm going to bother with these ones again next year because I got these from on the internet and they're just not doing as well as my ones, so I think I'd do just plant the Jamaica ones and the soft skins and the Okawanis next year. I'll see how it goes. This one in this bag is the only one what's not, well, it's starting to take off now, so I've just got to watch things. These are my beetroots. See, those are doing really nice. my lettuces. I'm harvesting those at the moment. So, and this is my okra yams. They're doing well. My exhibition onions are coming up nice. So I'm not too sure if I have to do anything with those. My sweet potato in these buckets are starting to take off now. So if I'm not careful, I'll have the whole place running with sweet potatoes. So I've got to sort these out when I get a chance. These are my cucumbers and my courgettes. I've got to put those out. I might put some cucumbers inside here if I've got space. So you see everything's coming along well in the polytunnel. This is a KSB polycarbonate polytunnel. It's always warm in here. It's 12 centigrade in here now because it's a bit cold. That's with the door open. Once I shut the door, then it's all right. Right, these are my lilies. See, they're starting to bud up. Gotta get, and this is what my plot looks like. You see how high the grass is, just out of hand, all because of that strimmer. These are my pink fir potatoes and my garlic. I've got to, next time I come down here, I'll get my my son or my daughter to just weed this out. I did see one with a flower spear, but I don't know if I took it off. Maybe I took it off, because once you see the oh, here's one here with the flower spear on it. See the flower spear? You take those off, and then that gives more strength to the bulb when it's growing. So you can see how high the grass is. That's how high the grass is. It's about, this bit here is about 4 foot high. See all along how high the grass is. Right, coming up here, I planted my corn in here, the seeds, and not even one. Can't even see one what sprouted. These are the ones what my daughter planted, but they took a pounding when it rained that time. My French beans are starting to come up now, and I planted some lemurs. I see a couple sprouting through. These are the French beans here. Right, this is where I planted the Rashido, or is it Romanesso, cauliflowers. They're doing okay. My cabbages are doing okay, and my broccolis are doing okay. I see them, some of them getting eaten, but I'm going to put a new netting on there soon. But you can see they're starting to bud up now and get the cauliflower, so I've got to address that. You see all what's going on, and this is all delaying from that strimmer. Came to strim, couldn't get it started, and I checked online, and they're sold out on all of them now. So they're trying to, they know themselves that the strimmer ain't no good. This is what I came to work on, or would have been working on this if I had a car. You can see how high the grass is, all them big bushes up there. I've got to get everything out and get this cleaned up. This is a gourd what's been there from when I came, and it's starting to run again up into the tree. You see the tree starting to send off things again, so I've got to trim that up and get everything sorted out. So that's what's going on at the plot right now. I'm going to be, once I sort out the car, I'm going to be trying to get rid of all this old tree and everything. So that's what's going on at the plot. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So this is how everything is down here. This is, if you see this in the videos, this is my neighbour's plot. He was here, he's been here for quite a while, and he dug all his one up. Took him ages, he said. But these beds were here when I came, so I worked with them. But looking at it in hindsight now, because of my back and everything, I couldn't do that kind of digging. I would need someone to do it for me, and I haven't got no one to do it for me. So this is everything. Watch the ads and everything that's helping us along. I think I've got one more lot of sweet potato left. I've sold some over the weekend, so you've got a couple of weeks to put them in. They're all right. I'll put some in my garden, so, but it's gonna be, I haven't looked out there. They were all right yesterday, so they must probably be all right for now. So that's what's going on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until the next time.